Yeah, this thing right here is ridiculous.
How was that?
Oh, it'll get you wherever you want to go as fast as you want to go. Just as long as you got enough to keep what it takes, keep it on the ground.
All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're checking out this 1990 CR500 we picked up a few weeks ago.
It's an absolute rocket ship. This thing right here will haul it.
It definitely holds up to the legacy of the CR500. If you haven't ridden one, I recommend it. So what's the bike got done to it?
It's got a 90mm Wiseco piston, which is about 504 cc's. It has a brand new Pro Circuit Platinum exhaust on it. The suspension's all been rebuilt. And it's got a Boyson rad valve on it. It absolutely will get it.
It's mean. So today we have blast on this CR500.
If y'all like this video and like vintage motocross bikes or want to see something that we ain't done yet, please like, subscribe, and even leave a comment down in the section below and let us know. We actually have an 86 CR250 we're getting ready to unveil. We've done a restore on, super sharp bike, so we're going to let that thing rip probably in the next couple weeks or so.
So please don't forget to subscribe below to stay tuned to upcoming content.